Hey, what is going on, guys? So I added some new Apple Watch bands to my collection here, and these ones are a little bit different. You can see all my other bands. All my other bands here are typically very like plain, but these ones here have a like a two-tone color here. Now the brand is Skylet. They're only selling for $13.99 each. And each one that you buy, they give you like a free clear rubbery case too that you can put on top of your watch. And they have it for all series 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as all the sizes, 38, 40, 42, and a 44 which is mine right here. Now I have 5 different colors here, but they do actually have 7, but you know, one of them I didn't want to get that was like pink. And all of these have like a canvas fabric, and you have a genuine leather on here as well. They all have a stainless steel buckle. They all have 2 loops. Here's like a denim blue color here, but you can see it's all decent stitching here. The rings are leather. You have a little leather part up here as well. And if I look underneath, it's leather as well. It's black leather though. All of them have black leather underneath. And another thing to note too is all of them have like the brown leather on here, except for this red one here. It has the black on here. And let me go ahead and give you a closer look at all the different colors I have here, as you can see right there. And I have another one on right now. And basically this is what it looks like when it's actually on the wrist here.
It's 3:19.
And to put these on, it is nice and smooth. The thing is, I have some other bands where, you know, I kind of had to give it like some pressure to slide in. But all of these bands here, they slide in no problem. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and switch out of this one right now. And I think today I'm going to go ahead and go with the actual red one here. So just go ahead and press that little button in the back and just slide it out just like that. Same with the other side, like that. And now when I put these in, I don't have to push that button. And every time you hear like a little snap. And like I said, these go in very smoothly. And this is what the red one looks like while it is on. Let me show you guys up close what it looks like so you can actually see the fabric there. And of course, I do have my red one on right now as well. Well, there you guys go. Thanks for watching.
It's 3:22.
And I'll see you on the next one.